If you are a GCSE PE or biology student, this is the place to be in the lead up to your exam. So today we explore the cardiac cycle, chambers of the heart, and the pathway of blood around the body. So the first thing that happens is the pulmonary vein. It brings oxygenated blood to the left atrium. From here, oxygenated blood passes through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. And from here, blood passes into the aorta, which is a large artery, and this carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. Now, I'm sure you know, oxygen is used during aerobic respiration, and what this means is carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. When this occurs, the vein, the vena cava, is responsible for transporting CO2 back to the heart. It enters the right atrium first, it passes through the tricuspid valve and moves into the right ventricle. From here, it passes into the pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary artery is responsible for taking deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs. In the lungs, this blood is then oxygenated and the process repeats itself. So the pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood away from the lungs back to the heart. I'm sure you've also noticed the left-hand side of the heart is larger, and this is because it needs to be more powerful, it needs to be larger, it needs to be stronger. And this is because it's responsible for ejecting blood at high speed so it can travel to where it is needed. This oxygenated blood needs to be transported all around the body so muscles can use the oxygen they require to function. I'm sure you've also noticed the septum. This is responsible for dividing the chambers of the heart. And as well as this, the valves are responsible for opening when the heart contracts, and this allows blood to move through them. And when the heart relaxes, these valves close. And that's really important because it prevents the backflow of blood. Please let me know what topics you'd like to see going forward and follow for more GCSE content.